What's oh, waiting for track. Waiting for track. Got all my cork done. But now I'm waiting for a track so I can start to finish it up, come around and go. Oh well, still taking time. Gotta redo that. I don't like the way that's turning out, not straight enough. So I gotta redo that. I'm gonna put some switches up here too so we can switch tracks. I don't know if I'll ever will, but at least it'll be there. And there you go. It's getting there. One day at a time. Took out my closet. So now I got all my area for stuff, all my inventory. Oh yeah. Tools, all the stuff I need up there. Eventually I'll have trains up there. I'll do something with the tools. All right, well, let's give it an update. It's been a while. Still waiting. Still messing around. Making things perfect because now's the time to get it right. Otherwise, it's not right. Oh yeah. All right. Peace out. Later. So, all right. Video. Just did my switchings for my DC, DCC, DC, DCC, DC, DCC, off, off, off. This one's for the yard. This one's for eastbound. This one's for westbound. And then I have the other switches here that I'm gonna put, three-way switches for my yard, so I can do the yard. I'll swing around here. Okay, not done yet. Just I'm gonna put all the wires in a wire loop. Wire it all up so no one can see any wires. There you go. It goes from there to there, and then that's gonna be where DCC goes. And I got all the switches. And it goes down to the main lines. This one's a yard. But there you go. Everything's soldered. Every wire there is soldered shut. There's nothing gonna come loose. So it is what it is. Got my all the side here, pearl white. Pretty cool. That's what it is. Freaking cracked it. Very last screw. Decided to go a little tighter. Well, no, don't do that. That's what it is. That don't look bad. That's where my switches are gonna be. In my yard. Yeah, I think it turned out alright. That's just plexiglass. It's got some pearl to it. You see the pearl in it. Right? Alright. Well, there you go. Another day in the train room. Got a vacuum now. Clean up. I think that looks a lot better than just wood. Alright? Alright. Alright, well there you go. Got my controllers. This one's gonna be for eastbound. This one's for westbound. This is the yard. There you go, and then I got my sound box for the DC. And when I got DCC, I got really cool locomotives that make sound, smoke, all kinds of stuff. So, a lot of money, but whatever. All right, another day. One of these days my track's gonna show up and I can finish the track. It's kind of pissing me off, but whatever. Like I say, just go one day at a time, do what you can. It's a fun time. Kind of turned out cool. Had to cut all this. because I didn't want it hanging down so you couldn't see the switches, you know. Because now you can see the switches. Get to them. Sweet. All right. Where's Rizzy? It's you, Rizzo. Huh? You like the trains? You like the trains? You hang out in here with me all the time. Yeah, you do. Peace out. Later.